Okay, y'all, I was running late, so I went ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the two cards I got. The tarot deck I'm gonna be doing tonight, and the oracle deck. I'm just gonna lose these two tonight, okay? So let's look at the Egyptian Gods Oracle cards by Silvana Isaiah. Okay, book and 36 oracle cards. Okay, painted with temper on papyrus, the magical and inspiration power of the ancient gods and the goddesses of Egypt. Okay, reason why I say it like that because I don't want to be no god. Okay, but anyway, it's been backwards. Hopefully they do got a booklet because I wanna but I was like looking at it, I was paying attention to like the symbols on there, so. So then y'all already know the number one card is Ra, which is enlightenment. And from the top of it, I can see that, as you can see this down here, it could be Ra, which is the most high. But like it's a like little thing on top of him. So he kind of stuck right now. Okay, he's stuck, okay? So anyway, but I'm gonna pay attention. I'm gonna let y'all know. This how the back look too. So we got Ra enlightenment. Number 2 is Ra creation. Okay. 3 is Shu, order and peace. Then we got 4, nuts, understanding. Okay. 5 is Jelba, prosperity. Okay. 6 is Osiris, death and rebirth. 7 is Isis, faith and wisdom. Sure do. Then we got 8, Seth, resentment, food. Okay. 9, we got Horus, stability and equilibrium. 10, we got Nefertility, which is me, meditation. Then we got Anubis. 11, transformation. Then we got 2, thought, wholeness. Okay, so your thoughts. Okay. 13, we got Mac, truth and fairness. Okay. 14, we got Hathor, intelligence. 15, we got Ptah, which is skill. 16, we got Basset, passion. 17, we got Scaremet, justice. 18, we got Capri, change. 19, we got Mud, being ordinary. Frenny, Consul, hermitage. 21, we got Kanum, resourcefulness. We got 22, Agnaket, which is hope. 23, we got Sobek, union and power. We got 24, Tyrek, Genesis. So beginning. 25, happy, renewal. We got 26, neat, preservance. We got 27, satet, fruitfulness. We got 28, exploration. 29, hika, alchemical force, so magic. 30, we got amut, devastation. 31, we got Shishak, which is wisdom. 32, we got Marister Giga, righteousness. 33, we got Selkis, healing. 34, we got Apathis, darkness. And then we got 35, Mihim, protection. Yes. And 36, we got Nefertum, completeness. Okay. I think I got enough time to show y'all what I need to know for myself. Let's see. I'm gonna do y'all tonight. This is how I do my reviews. I'm posting on Bossalini and we got darkness in reverse. So I'm not in darkness or I'm not dark. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. Okay, in reverse. Okay, I'm gonna do it on Kill Illuminati 33. Okay. They feel nice. Okay. I like jumping them. I like when they jump. Okay, one more time. I got Osiris, Death and Rebirth. Okay, can't wait. Then we got 29 Hika, Acclimated Force. Okay, so I don't gotta worry about magic because it's at the bottom. So I don't gotta really worry about it. So what else I need to know for myself? Okay, it fell on Darkness and Reverse. We got 25 Happy Renewal. Okay, so I'm leaving the darkness. Okay, I'm leaving the darkness, y'all. Then that's a good thing. That's a good thing. And then we got Hika again, Acclimated Force 29. So yeah, it like a curse or magic that was on me. Then we got 26, Neath Preservance. Okay, something preserved for me. Then we got 11, Underbus. I will be transformation. I'm transforming. Okay, it's hate time. So that's what I got, y'all. So let's see what y'all gonna get tonight. And I think I got enough time to just show y'all the tarot deck right quick. I mean, but it's different though, what I'm trying to say. Like, I'm gonna still put my meaning on it though. But if I don't got enough time, then I'm just gonna say what the meaning say on the card. But this how it look in the back. And the first card is Ace of Cups. This how it looks. And it just say Ace of Cups, water. Open your heart and receive the emotions around you. Then they have unconditional love, new feelings, new friendship, beauty, opulence, pleasure, self-love. And in reverse, they got repressed emotion, block logic, emotional overwhelm, autism, and emptiness. Then we have new beginning, inspiration, origin, and enlightenment is number 1, okay? So that's what I kind of need. So let's see. What is my card for today, for this week? Card of the day for me. What do I need to know? What do I need to know? We got the Queen of Wands. You can always call on your natural confidence, water sign or fire sign. Then we have the Two of Cups, okay? Yeah, because I ain't really been feeling her energy lately, you know? Gina, okay? So what I need to know for this week? Okay, it's hidden from me. We got the Emperor. Own your space with confidence, okay? It's a fire sign, Aries. A need for hard work. I'm going to read that one. Open your space with confidence, okay? I don't got no time. Then we got the Moon, okay? Be careful of seeing things that are not there. I do that every day. At the bottom, we got the Empress. Be happy with the results of your actions. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing tonight. So stay tuned. Ask your questions. Think of your question. Ask, okay, for your zodiac sign. Okay, you gotta look at all your shorts. You gotta see what's all in your short, okay? So it might, you know, if it don't, you know, I got y'all, okay? Y'all can still ask me a personal question, okay? I don't gotta have my cards or nothing. I can do is just have it down, but I just like the cards because, you know, like Black Goddess says, it's just a tool, and I just want my hands to be touching something. So hopefully y'all enjoy. Peace.